Right, I've managed to get down here to test the FCC hack on the Avata. What I will say before I start is that the FCC hack is illegal in the UK and in Europe, so after this test I will never use it again. What happened then? So I'm in private woodland. There is a public footpath that runs through it. I've got permission to be here. I do have my spotter with me. Yes, I'm spotting for him today. Does he look familiar? So last time I flew from here I got to 150 meters before I lost signal in the CE mode. So let's see how far I get with FCC and if it makes a difference. Okay, so here we go. I had to wait for a couple of dog walkers to pass through. And let's see how far we get this time in FCC mode. So as I said before, I got to 150 meters and I lost signal completely. Now we're coming up to 130, 140, there's the 150 mark. Gone past that, still got a pretty good HD signal, lost one bar. Right, now we're having problems. So 220, 230, 230 meters. After I've flown here, I'm going to go back to a barn that I fly around quite a lot, and it's a metal barn, and I do lose signal once I'm on the other side of it in CE mode, so I'm going to test that as well. Okay, so now we're back at the barn. This is a metal construction barn, and every time I flew around the back like this I lost signal in CE mode. At the moment I've just lost one bar, so that is a vast improvement in FCC mode. Okay, so if you stay with me to the end of the video, I'm just going to have a little play around here, then I'm going to do a range test to see how far I can actually go with the Avata in FCC mode. Now for some reason the video didn't record to the card in the goggles. I don't know what's going on there. So this is the video straight from the drone. You'll have to believe me on how far I got. I actually got to 1.3 kilometers, and the only reason I turned back was because it was quite windy, the battery was getting low, and I thought I'd better return before it initiates return to home. I could have gone further, I could have gone, I think, much further. So the FCC mode on this drone does make a lot of difference. So thanks for watching, and I'll be back again soon. Bye.